Hey guys, so this is just going to be a quick video, part 1 to part 2. I'm about to make some green seasoning for my curry chicken for dinner today. So let's get started. So over here I have scallions. Everything is washed and dried. I have scallions here. I cut the little tips off. 1 green bell pepper. This is parsley, garlic. These garlic things, they sell them in Kroger and it's like a serving. I think it's like 5 cloves in there. Thyme, habanero, or scotch bonnet, whichever you could get your hands on, the hot pepper, and cilantro. And I'm also going to put like a couple drops of this vinegar to preserve it, because I'm going to have some left, so I'm going to keep it in the refrigerator so it doesn't go bad. Alright you guys, as you can see, I de-seeded my habanero. If you're living on the edge and you want your green seasoning to be hot as hell, you could just leave the seeds in. And that's pretty much what I did. So now I'm going to add like a few drops of bottled water and like a tiny couple drops of vinegar. You don't need much. You can also taste it, so I don't think that was enough. Yeah, just a couple drops. A lot of people put oil in their green seasoning, but I don't want oil in mine. So post it and let it go. Alright guys, so the only reason why I'm pouring it in this bowl is so you guys can see the consistency of it. I'm definitely going to put this into a sealed container, and you can use this for up to 2 weeks if you use the vinegar. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in my next video, which will be my curry chicken. And you can use this in stewed chicken, curry chicken, barbecue chicken. Just season it with this green seasoning. It works pretty much on anything. Alright guys, bye. Alright guys, so quick tip. If you want to use a mason jar, you lost your tops or something like that, you could use a sandwich bag, put over it, and then use a rubber band and put it around right here. That's for people who care, of course. I didn't have a rubber band, so I used a head tie and put it around so it's like sealed.